Hi loves, welcome back to the channel and welcome to my clean and decorate with me for Valentine's Day. I love Valentine's Day because, it is the day of love, so, what's not to love about it, you know? I also was super excited for this one because I feel like I just really needed to do a deep clean. And so I cleaned our entire apartment and then put out our cute little decorations, and it definitely had me feeling really happy this past weekend. So I started off with laundry because there was like 4 loads that had just been piling up, because as much as I don't want to be the person that does laundry and then just leaves the clean clothes in the basket without folding it right away, I definitely do that sometimes, and this past few weeks that has been me. So I finally folded all of the laundry and I got to work in our closet. So yeah, I had ran out of hangers, and that's kind of what made the closet, I think, get as bad as it was. Not that it was terrible, but it definitely needed some help. So while we were out this weekend at TJ, I got a new bundle of hangers. Thank the Lord, I could finally get all of those clothes up off the floor. And Peter had a big pile as well, stuck at the top. So those were driving me insane, and I decided to hang them as well.
I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I just want somebody to talk to. Someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody. Just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to.
So next I moved on to our living room. For some reason, I always like to start in this corner of our living room and then work my way out all the way to the kitchen, and then our hallway and our office and spare bathroom. I don't know why. I literally always start in this top corner of our apartment, but for whatever reason, that's what I did. So I just had to do the usual vacuuming, deep cleaning, dusting, wiping down the windows, all that jazz. So Peter and I didn't get a vacuum until a month after we moved into this apartment, which we had already lived at our other apartment for a year, and we didn't get a vacuum until a year and a half in, I guess, basically. Can you imagine? We had to sweep up all the dog hair all the time. Having a vacuum is a lifesaver. I really like to use the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner, and I'm still using the Mum scent from fall, and it's my favorite scent. I tried to go back to get another bottle before they were gone, and they were already gone, and so now I'm gonna have to go all year with getting a different scent, but I'm trying to make this bottle last as long as possible because it smells so good. But what's your guys' favorite scented one that's like not a seasonal one, I guess, because I'm definitely gonna need a new one here in like the next week or so. Once I finish this corner, I love to always start the diffuser up. I did a pink grapefruit smell this time. My favorite is definitely lavender though, but I'm all out. Again, I use that Mrs. Meyer's spray on all of my surfaces, and I just leaves every little area smelling so fresh. I love you more than I love myself, boy, and my love for you caught it from the jump. Hold up. While I am cleaning, I always love to have like the rest of the laundry like going. So in this case, it was all of our bed sheets and blankets. My favorite thing in the world is clean bed sheets. Oh, when you lay down in that bed at night, it smells so good. You've been giving me extraterrestrial readings. I love you, I mean it if you do. Tell me we're sipping the same brew. Hooked on the Kool-Aid, I'm thirsty for good news. Okay guys, so this fiddle leaf, I feel like I am doing okay with it, but I also feel like I could be doing better. I do know you're supposed to wipe down their leaves, like, because they get very, very dusty, and so that's what I'm doing here, just kind of giving a quick spray of water and wiping those down with a damp towel, which makes them look really green and bright again, because they can get so dingy. But for some reason, like the back, like half of the leaves like aren't growing, and it's like all coming to the front half. So if you have any suggestions on how to like make it grow, you know, like all the way around the plant, let me know. Give a little, take a little, but you only taking all the time. You got me twisted, dot my T's and cross my eyes. I'm in denial, it's too late to compromise. I love you, I mean it if you do. Tell me what's sipping the same brew. Hooked on the Kool-Aid, I'm thirsty for good news. In the living room, the Valentine's Day decor is like pretty much non-existent. I just have a few pieces that I'll add here in a little bit, but I really wanted maybe like a few heart-shaped pillows, but every time I found one, they were at least like $25, and I just didn't feel like that was a good price for such like a short amount of time to have the decor up. So I'm still gonna like keep on the lookout for something like that just to add to our couch, like a little bit of pink, but for now, these pillows will do. We got our island chairs from Wayfair, and I love them. They're just the clear acrylic chair, and they're so cute, and they like very modern and go with everything because obviously they are clear. But wow, cleaning them and getting the fingerprints and like the grimy off of them is so annoying because again, you can see everything. I still would recommend them though if you guys want acrylic chairs. I think they're really, really great.
All the time, how you doing that? How you doing that? People ask me all the time, how you doing that? Busta Rhymes. I don't really know.
And now it's time for the kitchen, which means dishes, dishes, dishes.
Mom said I must have been born with it. I wasn't always so sure of it. Now I can see all the worth in it. So I be burnishing every time I get a little better. So I gotta do it every single day like I'm a junkie with a habit. And I know in front and back for the head of the rabbit. If you want it, you can have it, bring it up. I can bag it. All my women that be rocking, look at all we even common. Anything we gotta do it like a problem. And they say they wanna keep us at the bottom, but we're too damn awesome, too damn awesome. People ask me all the time, how you doing that? How you doing that? People ask me all the time, how you doing that? Busta Rhymes. People ask me all the time, how you doing that? How you doing that? People ask me all the time, how you doing that? Busta Rhymes. I'm so fed up, I should be fat. I'm Big Poppy when I'm at bat. Fucking salary got no cap. Every time I do it like I do it, they gag. Can I be totally real with you? Can't do what nobody tell you to. Once you decide what you wanna do, unlock it and cock it like Rambo do. Then you unleash the fool. Now I'm feeling kinda shady when you're looking at my mouth like I'm a little fucking baby talking all this kind of shit like, oh my god, somebody spare me. I don't even seen the best of me and all you do is dare me. But a pussy grab back when the situation hairy. Can't keep me in a cage, no canary. Got a lot I wanna say, a library. And I spit it so quick that it's scary. Y'all never wanted me to be another copycat, or would you rather see me pull another dagger? When I get to rhyming, all the people start to gather and I'm making it look easy like I'm working up a lather. And my teacher is a legend, ain't a buddy on his radar. And I had to write a rhyme, it's a really hard grader. Can you please do me a favor and jump on the elevator, going up in his beach like a hungry alligator?
So every time I finish with like a little bit of a room, I love to like I did the diffuser in the living room, I love to light candles and things like that. So like every inch of the room is getting a nice fresh scent. So this one is just a vanilla candle, which they are my favorite because they always smell good no matter the season. So these are my first touches of my Valentine's decor, and if you guys watched my VDAY haul, you would have seen all of this. But these placemats were from the Target dollar spot. They were $5, and they say, "Hello, love." $5 for the pack, I should specify. And then the cute heart plates were from Target as well, but they're part of the Opal House collection. And so the red larger plates were $2.50, and then the pink smaller ones were $2 a piece. And they're so cute.
But you know my order when we're out to eat and you pay for me. 'Cause I don't wanna be.
I also got my cake stand from the Target dollar spot, and it was $5 too. It has these cute little hearts around the edges. And then my last little piece up here is the candle from TJ Maxx. And I mean, look how cute those little hearts are. The little kiss me and XOXO. It was a very perfect candle. So the Pampas Grass up here is one of my new additions, and I love the way it looks against those DIY canvases that I painted. And if you guys want to check that video out, I'll have it linked below. I did a little DIY video all on those canvases because that wall was just super bare and I needed to fill it. And then I also had Peter pick me up a thing of red roses and pink roses so I could use those to decorate around the apartment. But then I also realized in the process that I only had one vase, so I had to stick them all in one. But I saw how people were using like the larger mason jars, and I definitely have some of those, so I think that I'll try and like take a few of these out and put them in mason jars and put those around the apartment.
I don't like you, you know I like you, I do. And when I say I don't need you, I just mean I need to take my time with you. Every time you open up, I'm shutting down. Every time you come in, I push you out, saying I don't want you, but you know I do. But I hate to love you, so I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you. Ooh, I hate to love you, so I love to hate you. Ooh, yeah, love you, yeah, hate you. I hate to love you, so I love to hate you. Ooh, ooh.
I also love how Odin is so trying to eat and drink the water off of the stems of the roses all while I'm doing this. I didn't even notice it then, but rewatching the video makes me laugh.
So I did my best to make you feel wanted. But what about what I want? What about what I want? And what I wanted was to crash with my dumb friends on the weekend instead of watching a movie. But you wanted me to be what you need instead of being me. Oh, and that's how I knew it. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me.
So I added these beautiful rose gold copper, I guess you could say, wine glasses from Pier 1. They are so gorgeous and obviously fit the Valentine's Day theme, but I'm absolutely gonna use those year round. They were $14.95 each, and for some reason I only grabbed 2, and so then later in the week, because I fell even more in love with them, I had to go back and get 2 more. And that wraps up my cleaning video. Thank you guys so much for watching and for tuning in to all of my videos. I love you guys so much, and I hope you have a happy Valentine's Day here in the next few weeks, and I'll see you guys in my next one.